Hi, I'm Allison Maldonado. Bienvenidos de nuevo. Welcome back to my classroom. Spanish teacher at Farragut High School. The last video I made, it was about setting up the MeetUp camera. And it was really easy. Now I want to show you how I can use different angles from this MeetUp camera in order to teach virtually, meaning all the kids are at home, or hybrid, meaning I've got some kiddos in the classroom and some kiddos at home. The most important thing for me is that all kids feel included, and using the MeetUp camera is going to allow me to do that. So let's get started. Vamos! So I'm going to use the remote control for the MeetUp camera. I'm going to press the home button, which is right in the center there, and the MeetUp camera will give me a field of view 120 degrees. And so what does that include? It includes my whiteboards. Okay. I can write on them, I can zoom in and out. My second option is a preset button. If I want to be over at my computer, I come over here and I can be standing, I can be sitting, but people at home can see me and I can see them because I have another monitor set up so that I can look at them and they know that I'm looking at them and that they're included. So now I'm going to show you my second preset. Vamos to the podium. I'm going to press the preset number 2 button. I'll just set it down here for a second. And so what does that allow me to do? It allows me to do a presentation from the podium, or it allows me to write on the board. Okay. In addition, I can hit the home button again, and it allows me to come in front of the camera, and I can show the kiddos at home this beautiful cathedral, La Sagrada Familia, from Barcelona, Spain. And it shows all the intricacies of this architectural wonder by Antonio Gaudí. It also allows me to show paintings, which we do study in Spanish 4, which is my hybrid class. So it allows me to let them see this very famous artwork by Picasso, and as we go in and study the historical value of it, it will come alive for them. It's almost a better seat sometimes at home than from the kids in the classroom. So let's recap. With this camera, this MeetUp camera, it makes me, it allows me, I should say, to feel natural in my classroom. Very rarely do I sit down, but if I do need to sit down, I can come over to preset 1, which is my workstation. I can come over to preset 2, which is my podium, or I can hit the home button and I can walk around from here to there. I love this MeetUp camera because it helps me engage my students in the class and at home. So just to show you how easy it is to set those preset buttons, I'm going to do a little demo. I am going to pretend I'm setting my preset button. I want to set up the camera anywhere that I want it to be in the classroom, okay? And when I'm happy with it, I zoom in, out, I adjust it, whatever you want it to be, and then I press number 1 and you listen to a little ding. Do the same thing with 2, and you can change them as often as you like. That was really easy for me. I hope it was easy for you. Again, thanks so much for allowing me to show you how great a camera this MeetUp is. Hola de nuevo. So I've added a few things to my classroom in order for me to feel more comfortable and have access to my kids at home. I have installed a monitor, and right above it is a MeetUp cam. Why do I have the monitor? Well, the MeetUp cam is recording me, and that's what the students see. I can see the monitor than the students at home. And that really makes me a better teacher because I can see how they react and it can be more interactive. And look here, nuestro estudiante, el Chavo. Chavo, ¿cómo estás?
Hola.
Okay, hasta luego. Another thing, come around the back. Another thing that I installed is a desktop mount. I have attached the MeetUp cam to the mount. And this desktop mount, it's really quite easy to manipulate. You can raise or lower it to your liking. And it just gives me better functionality along with my monitor. So I am kind of building the airplane as we're flying it here in this world of technology. I am learning so much as we move along. Microsoft Teams, Logitech cameras, mounts, and all that. But I'm telling you, I feel so empowered and confident when I go in to teach my virtual and my hybrid classes in about 2 more weeks. Nos vemos. Hasta luego.